Your Google TV is completely frozen or not responding. This usually happens because of software glitches, overloaded background apps, or system crashes. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a frozen Google TV step by step. Solution 1. Force power off. Press and hold the power button on your Google TV or TV remote for 5 to 10 seconds until the TV shuts off. This basically force shuts down your TV, and most cases it works. If it doesn't work, use your TV power button instead. If your TV has a physical power / reset button, press it once to try booting it up. Usually that button is either on the top of your TV or on the bottom part of your TV. So look it up and see if you can find it and try powering your TV on with it. If this method works, the problem was likely with your remote. Solution 2. Restart Google TV. Unplug your TV. You need to remove the power cable from the power outlet for this. Now wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary glitches and may restore normal shutdown. If the problem shows up again after this, you can try this solution. Solution 3. Clear app cache. If your TV is not completely frozen, use your TV remote to navigate to the settings from your Google TV home screen. Scroll down to Device Preferences or System depending on your OS version. Now scroll down again and find Storage. Go here, then select Free Up Storage. Choose Clear Cache. Now confirm your choice. This will most likely fix any temporary freezing issue. You can also delete unwanted apps as well. Too many apps also create freezing issues. After these steps, your Google TV should be smooth again, and if it was frozen, it will start working.